Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about the different terms that used with CNC router machine, and the word I selected for today is axis. Axis is very common word that you can hear when you inquire about CNC router or you learn about CNC router. The axis is one and the foremost thing that we want to know. How many axis machine we want, how much axis we have for the machine, like that. See, we have like 3 axis machine, 4 axis machine, 5 axis machine are very common terms that you can hear in the industry. What is axis? Axis is the relative movement, the direction in which the movement, whether the tool moves or the workpiece move relative to each other. So commonly you can see the workpiece is almost static, and you can see the tool is moving. We can think about that, the tool movement. If the tool is moving in along one particular direction, that is x-axis, that is, and one more perpendicular direction, like if you are taking the bed, the CNC router bed, on that in particular direction, if the tools move front and back, then we can take it as y-axis. If it is moving left and right, then you can take it x-axis. It's all our convention, because different CNC router manufacturers define it in their own way, and generally the terms is like this. And for Z movement, Z axis, what we call is the tool is moving up and down. So that is the thing. So other than these, we have another 3 axis, that is we call the rotational axis. So when the tool moves around x-axis, along the x-axis, then we call it as a-axis. And if it is the tool is moving along the y-axis, we call it as b-axis, and along z-axis we call it as c-axis. So this is x, y, z. This is linear displacement, and A, B, C is the rotation. So this is the 6 options available. The freedom of movement between the tool and workpiece is available. So most of the machine will have minimum 3 axis. 2 axis also possible. When we do with the 2 axis, there is no movement of tool up and down, so there is no material machining there. Only if you want to draw something like that, plotting and all those kind of things, the 2 axis machines are there. If it is X, Y, Z, that is 3 axis machine, it is like door carving and all, we take out the material. So it's such like the relief, that because the tool will be always perpendicular to the workpiece in the 3 axis machine. So you can take out like a relief only, not like a statue which you can do with the 4 axis machine. So what we call 2 axis machine, 3 axis, 4 axis, and 5 axis machines are available. So 2 axis just like plotting, okay. And in 3 axis you can relief machining, and in 4 axis it's like a rotary legs and all like that. It's like it's like a pillar and all, you can machine with the 4 axis, and 5 axis you can do with like statue type. So one of the terms. So this is some of the terms what I want to explain to you, and you may want to learn about, because most of the people who are into the business of CNC router machine, or if you want to set up a CNC router machine, this is some of the terms that you must understand it. So I am also conducting a course related to CNC router machine, and if you are interested to join the course, you may also attend a webinar that I will be explaining the benefit of it. And if you want to register for that webinar, you may please click the below link and register yourself. So we will let you know when the webinar is on, and later you can take a decisions to get into the classes. So thank you very much, and Have a nice day.